Well, hello. My name is Fox, and I am a science interpreter at the Franklin Institute. And today, we're going to be making some noise. Now, to make some noise, first, we need something very important. What are we breathing right now? Air. We need air for sound. So, to start off, we're going to need this tube, a glove, some tape, and a straw. Now, when we talk about sound, we're talking about vibrations of the little tiny things that make up the air all around us. See that molecule right there? Neither can I. It's really small. But if you have a bunch of those molecules bumping into each other and vibrating from my mouth all the way to your ears, you get that sound. So what we're going to do is create this thing called a Glovaphone, which causes the air inside the tube to vibrate. So first, take your tube and the glove, and you tape the glove around the edge of the tube, just like this. Now that you have your glove taped around your tube, cut off the pinky finger very close to the end, just like this. Remember, ask a parent or guardian to help you with the scissors. Next, take a straw. Paper is a good straw. You're going to insert that into the end of the glove, just like that. Use some tape to fasten the straw inside of the glove. Let's use a little bit more, because you want to make sure this does not fall apart. Perfect. And now, blow into the straw. Oh, we forgot the most important part. If you want to make sound, we have to cause that air to vibrate. You need to pull the glove tight against the top of the tube. By doing this, we're causing that glove to vibrate and create that sound. Now, that's using a very small tube, but you can try to make a much larger one. Doesn't have to be paper either. You could go for plastic as well. So if we try it with a plastic tube, notice what happens if you make a longer one. And we can even use a balloon in place of the glove. So feel free to make these Glovaphones to irritate your friends and family and make your own musical instrument. Have a nice day.